Ensure the unit is not plugged into a power point and is free hanging. Then we'll need to remove the 4 outside cover screws, 1, 2 and 1 on either end of the unit, 3 and the 4th one on this side, 4. With the 4 screws removed, the plastic cover will simply lift off. Do not lose the screws. The part we are replacing is this control board. It has 5 wires down one side, 2 plug-ins that have held in with a bit of glue, and 2 plugs down at the other side. You'll need to remove the cable ties on either corner to allow removal off the board. You can simply just cut them off. Then we'll need to remove the glue from the surface of the plug. This can be a bit of a sticky task. Alright, now we'll undo the board and we'll lift it from its mounting spot. It's just held in by 2 screws, 1 on either side. You do not need to remove these all the way, they just need to come loose to allow the board to slide out. The board has now been removed and you can now disassemble wire by wire, assuring their locations. The bottom 2 on this side are marked AC and AC2, and these are marked motor positive and motor negative. We suggest you take a photo of this so you can remember exactly where all the cables go. Once removed, grab your new PCB board and start connecting the wires in the correct sequence. The board is marked AC2 and AC1, motor positive and motor negative. You'll just need to ensure that the cables on the left hand side go black, red, white. Now with the wires all reconnected to the main board, we can slide it in place using the back mount. Slide it over one screw and then slide it over the other, and now you can fasten the unit back in place. Ensure the top plug and the side plug are now plugged into place.